autonomous council ke nong ponjat cheplang det po thang a level lo lage ilitum phan autonomy pawe det po ilitum autonomous state ke chu hang po autonomous state ka linon no bage ponjat bin chong thu det po non ke ka pin chong lok lo lang litu
article 244 kalong le phano
article 244A ke long le det po ate manang litum chini lo dei six schedule yung sia vele article 244A do ni ate man article 244A autonomous state ke six schedule apu thak paragraph 20 apu thak si doji puja ta ke to constitution long si ke to la ke la se nge non la autonomous state nangji puga ningji tum an ke non thur nangji thur pak nangji six schedule ka pawi ya pan si bang ke claim lo nang le tum muni tum hang yo cho tang de CME ama to long poisa bini chu en dam pe chom gari cho nam lo bolero solai la mande ke chok lu la pole chalak pik pak lu pu jama tha bang e theru son pu si bang nai tin thu ka ajat lang no ji mene theru son se ta la son ge ke mi doi kam li de ken de tum la bang ge ning oil athema la ke da member hostel ke dipu Mohanogor dipu arong sopi angbong chit sige jota ke karbiatum kache toidun akit hek atum pusili tum gitin lo halatum sige do thai lake dorsing rong hang ta alang lita MSC bom lang di MLA ta lang ke anke alang li ing deng si komande angjir atum phat kivita akam ke claim pu la banget herak me mi alam la sini tum la ke condemn lo la so ke mo phita claim nang ni atema alang litum ma thalo alang litum claim joy hi pulo kumar la ni ke wan pi tum chini ne ba ala a injir tum da chini ne mene kumar la le tum phana pa chu beida ne litum injir tum ke no pik pule ke pudam kali alang litum phana pa chu be si ke wan det lo mene alang litum ha du kang khoi anong pi ju no kam se claim lo ande laga alang litum hale anong pi juno chot kali lake karbi hampang base anong pi juno lake apot karbi hampang karbi society along pen la son ke pe do kertan ni tu ke lake condemn lo lake and the meeting was announced that the meeting would be held. It was announced about 3 p.m. only. I was here very short notice only to avoid us so that we will not be able to attend. That is the main reason. As if why the DC is hiding? Is it not so? Why should he call meeting in hiding? This is not proper. The DC has got all the power, and he is the DC of everybody in the district. So he should respect all of us, and he must give us the proper opportunity to represent our case. Avoiding us is not good. So we object to the meeting that is held by the Deputy Commissioner today, and we also object to the notification issued by the State Election Commission for conducting the elections of the autonomous Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We object to it. We have already, as I have already said, we have already submitted memorandum to the Governor. Governor has not replied to us till today. We are waiting for his invitation. We have requested him to give us time to discuss with him. And under what section of law is he going to conduct the election? He should tell us. According to the Indian Constitution, Article 243M, the law of Panchayat cannot have any power in the 6th schedule area. They cannot have any the State Election Commission formed under the Panchayat law, section 114, cannot have the power, does not have power to conduct election here. From where have our Deputy Commissioner and State Election Commission get the law? Or are they doing unconstitutional, are they acting against the Constitution? And are they acting against the law? They must admit whether they are acting against the law or not. And moreover, the state election, the Honorable Guwahati High Court has already ordered.
Lami submitting the lamati.
Oh, and then the DC, the State Election Commission, when they took oath on the Constitution. They said they will preserve and protect the Constitution.
No protest.
Now they are breaking the Constitution. So they should not do like this. No, not according to the 6th schedule. This is the 6th schedule. It is written, paragraph 2, subparagraph 7b. Election has to be conducted until a new rule is made for election, for conduct of election. The election shall have to be conducted under 6th schedule, paragraph 2, subparagraph 7b. It is written, generally, all matters relating to the transaction business pertaining to the administration of the district or region, as the case may be, provided that until rules are made by the district or the regional council under this subparagraph, the rules made by the governor under subparagraph 6 of this paragraph shall have effect in respect of elections to the officers, staff, and the procedure of the conduct of business in each such council. Then when election will have to be held under the 1951 rules. 1951 rules here, according to the, until the rule is made. But of course, we do not mean to say that they can go on holding like this. We said that no, it is already 70 years gone already. Why not we make our own rules? We should have made our rules, completed making the rules in 1955. We have not made till now. This is a very shameful thing.